Now today I'm going to show you how to make an easy dessert. This is one recipe we especially love to have at tea time. It can be extremely tricky to get this recipe right, so I have given you just the right amount of liquid to add to this recipe, because if you overdo it, you can have a very soggy mess. This is one recipe that tastes absolutely delicious when you have it warm with a nice dollop of cold ice cream. So do give it a try. It's very easy to find in your local supermarkets and it tastes absolutely fantastic. Don't forget to subscribe, like our videos, and please share it with all your friends. So today I'm going to show you how to make a super simple dessert for tea time. Now all you need is some vermicelli. I have a ready roasted packet, but if you don't find the ready roasted version, go ahead and buy the plain one. This packet is 150 grams. Now I would recommend before you even open the packet that you give this a nice good break up inside the packet, because once you open it, it's going to fly everywhere and then it's going to be really tricky to handle after that. This is the fun bit. You don't want to squish it too much because you don't want powder at this point, so just a little bit. Now once you've done that and my pan is nice and hot, I'm going to start with cutting this up. And believe you me, this one tip you're going to thank me for big time. So I'm going to toast this now on a medium heat. I want just a little bit of color to it. I don't want it to get too dark. I don't want it to burn because then we'll get bitter. So this is the tricky bit without it flying everywhere. Now once your vermicelli has a bit of color in it, we're going to add in the ghee. The ghee is clarified butter. So if you don't have ghee, then go ahead and just put in regular butter. So I'm adding 4 teaspoons here of ghee. Lower the heat. Now it's always a good thing to break it in the packet before you put it in the pan, because otherwise you'll have vermicelli flying everywhere. Now my next step is going to be to add some sugar. I'm using brown sugar for this, just to help with all the caramelization. I'm adding 5 teaspoons here. Now if you like this dessert a little less sweet, you could go ahead and add lesser sugar. The next thing I'm going to do is to add in my milk. Start off with adding 100 grams of water and 100 grams of milk. So I'm going to keep an eye on it. I just want the vermicelli to cook. I don't want it too wet. Now this is looking really good. Now at this stage, if you want, you could add in some dried cardamom, some raisins, if you like cranberries, and any kind of nuts as well. But I recommend if you're going to add nuts, make sure that they're pre-toasted or pre-roasted. Now it's looking gorgeous at this point. I'm going to turn the heat off and just cover it and let it sit for a bit. Now what that's going to do is the steam will help finish off the entire cooking process. So I'm going to take it off the heat. So my vermicelli has been sitting now for about 5 to 10 minutes, and at this point it's ready to serve. So I love to have it nice and warm and with a good dollop of cold ice cream. I think that is the best way to have it. So do try it, let me know what you think, and please like and subscribe for all our recipes, and don't forget to share them with your friends.